We're making sure that water can't come down inside of these, so it won't fill up. So just go ahead, always think in terms of 30 years. Whatever it takes to make something last 30 years, that's what you're doing. However, no comment on the size of the structure, which was determined by a structural engineer. And according to the installers, the characteristics of this particular rack are such that we could land a small helicopter or a 747 on this rack. The tilt mount hardware, there is a wide and a narrow, which you can see right here. The narrow goes inside of the leg, which sits inside of the U channel, and the wide goes right into the bottom. So be sure and get the wide at the bottom and the narrow at the top. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to set the collectors down on this rack, and we're going to connect the 1 inch, the manifolds together using the 1 inch. We do that now because here it is right here. Manifolds are 1 inch, and this is a 1 inch coupling, and it's got a stop in it. We do want to make sure that the manifold fits equally inside of that, so we'll mark everything and so that everything fits really nicely. But in order to get two collectors together, in order to have this collector sit and then the next one come into it, it has to be exactly correct. Any deviation in any plane, up, down, sideways, will give you a fit. So what we're going to do is we're going to use channel locks. We'll get everything cleaned up, laid on here, and then we'll get these things put together. Once they're all put together, then we can lift them into the brackets and set them. Soldering is all in the prep work, really. You just have to have shiny copper and shiny copper. Flux everywhere. Dave will tell you that anytime that you fail to flux correctly, you'll get a void in your solder and a tiny little leak. And so if you want to avoid a problem, clean your copper fittings. Clean them well and flux them well. You don't want too much flux though, because the flux will get inside of the fitting and turn the water green. So don't go crazy, just do a good job.